Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use this method of the factory reset, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Also, make sure to check if your battery level on the watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now we can continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health phone on the phone, or rather Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. My bad. Once you open the application, tap on the devices icon right here, then select the Huawei Watch GT Runner from the list of devices. Now scroll all the way down, and here you should see the Restore Factory Settings option. Tap on it, tap on Restore. The device should disappear from the devices page, and also it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.